The new dance.
We getting bread over here. We getting bread over here. We getting bread over here. So if you hating over there, nigga, we don't care. We getting bread over here. Dope boy, dope boy, yo, dope boy. I got the dope boy, but you know, boy, it's not a show, boy. Gotta go to flow, boy. Like my name is Flow Rider. I ride the flow. It's me. I gotta know. I gotta go from like a domino. A domino. In the Escalade I go while they spin. You see the fucking rims? We getting dough, so that's what I spend.
While I'm spinning, money coming in, we winning. Listen and pay attention. I be on the grind all the time for mine, flipping dimes to sunrise. Listen, I'm so close to over the edge. Got my niggas holding that bread. Put the toaster to your head. Hold up, that water from the ghetto. Getting that money, bitches shaking that shit like jello. In them 7-inch stilettos. I don't know how them hookers run on them things, but they go for sure. Know to get the click clack, commit that. I don't ever commit that, I just hit that. She get committed like she was in a mental asylum, but when I get up in that brain, yo, I'm getting inside. I'm talking about the front to the back. Have a rockin' the mic all night like that. We getting bread, why? We getting bread. Why? They watching, they talking, they watching to the feds. Why? We getting bread.
Yeah, we getting bread. We getting bread over here. We getting bread over here. Yeah, we getting bread over here, nigga. We don't care cause we getting bread over here. Yo, getting bread, nigga. That's what I said, nigga. You getting bread, nigga. Aim at your head, nigga. Now you're dead, nigga. Give me your bread, nigga. All types of bread, nigga. We to the white folks. Me, nigga. I don't even like smoke, but I don't like fucking investigate with white folks. Psych. I do my thizzle. It's me, it's Jizzle. It's your nizzle. Hey, Twizzle. I'm coming like the wind. And once again, I don't need a fucking pen. I'm a sin. Here's my twin. He jumped back in and he jumped back out. But I don't give a fuck. It's the word of mouth. And I ain't from the south. But we up in the north side in the brew. What the fuck you wanna do? We got a fucking 22. We getting bread over here. We getting bread over here. We getting bread over here. But we don't care cause we getting bread over here.
Shake him up.
Sorry.